While minivans reign as the epitome of family practicality, they often lack the allure associated with SUVs, leading to an underappreciation of their merits. Kia, having introduced the Carnival to the U.S. market just in 2022, wastes no time in enhancing its appeal with a fresh styling update for the 2025 model year. Drawing inspiration from Kia's latest electric three-row crossover, the EV9, the Carnival receives a makeover, including revisions to its grille, headlamps, tail lamps, wheels, and lower body panels. The anticipated starting price for the 2025 Kia Carnival hovers around $35,000, reaching up to $48,000 depending on the selected trim and optional features. Beneath its hood lies a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering a hearty 290 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission as standard. Unlike some rivals like the Pacifica with its optional plug-in hybrid powertrain and the Toyota Sienna with its default hybrid setup, the Carnival is exclusively offered in a front-wheel drive configuration, with no provision for all-wheel drive. The Carnival's interior exudes a blend of modernity and comfort, particularly evident in the dashboard and front seat area. Featuring a spacious center console, it offers ample storage for various small items. Opting for the optional Mercedes-style dual-screen infotainment system enhances connectivity, complemented by a digital gauge display for convenient access to the van's features. For those indulging in luxury, the upscale SX Prestige trim presents leather upholstery as standard. Moreover, it offers the option of reclining second-row seats, complete with pop-up footrests, known as VIP seats. These seats provide a luxurious way for passengers to unwind during lengthy journeys. However, unlike rival minivans, they lack the versatility of being removed or stowed in the floor, limiting the Carnival's maximum cargo capacity. While the standard configuration includes a single 8.0-inch infotainment screen, there's an option for dual 12.3-inch displays that dominate two-thirds of the Carnival's dashboard. One screen functions as a digital gauge display, providing essential vehicle information, while the other serves for infotainment purposes. Don't forget to subscribe for updates on new models.